The Khasi Students' Union East Jaintia Hills District Unit had submitted a memorandum on the 18th of September 2023 to the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Preston Tansong, to bring to his attention pressing matters concerning the overall development of the district. The memorandum stated the union's request for attention and also to urge upon the government to prioritize the issues concerned as well as to consider the preservation of the district's integrity, to rely on swift action and thorough planning towards its development. The pressing issues that were apprised by the members of the KSU East Jaintia Hills District Unit through the memorandum included a request for the immediate removal of the illegal BSF camps at Sonapardi, Ratachera and Hingaria, as a section of the local population is experiencing various forms of harassment at the hands of the BSF personnel stationed at the camps, to set up an additional anti-infiltration check gate along National Highway 6, particularly at Tongseng, as this strategic location is poised to become a major entry point for illegal immigrants due to its proximity to areas known for high instances of infiltration, to intercede and take measures in the current complications of National Highway 6, where the union has requested for the government's intervention in speeding up the work with an update on the actions taken to address the dilapidated condition of the particular stretch of highway, and to set up a traffic branch in East Jaintia Hills District, as the absence of a specialized traffic enforcement body in the district has resulted in several problems.
Ketua public hearing ke pulang pesan belum tu mak ki buat boleh ki shock ki bomlati yang tidak boleh pak kim kain wat yang tidak boleh kawan. Jadi kali ni buat seperti ni ya pak pesan bat ni orang ni pak pesan pak nagle jom pesan ni dah pro ban file ka FIR po SP office ke po kerja mo ban pesan dengan ban threat lagi ni ki berhenti ban shock ban bom kalau anda ke kanat kapan di publik dewan kentel ki shock tu ke kanon ki berkuat kewargaan ki dia tu nak yang sini mereka baik pak pastor yang sini orang tu inspect kamu sebut mo pun ki shock nama kain ke dia ban shock tu ni te harga hen ke baik orang banyak shock mo menubah kesan bersama dewan suku kelong nanti dewan suku kawat kutu itu beberapa kamu dari kain kau ini kau yang waktu dan kejuni nanti dewan Fairo bisa membantu bersama juga air itu shower.
Jadi nama resmi tu bagi BSF kita beberapa ikan dari lepas ikan ikan wajib kena sekolah dalam kedeng kecing lam kena cemur kita mulai bersih komputer kita dan ada ke UAE dalam dan privilege tu jika kelak pen mix nama dia pen sawit tak kena UAE nak por support bat ni jauh jauh nama ni babun ke beliau tu jaka UAE kata jaka nama hang tu jing up tu biasa kalau jing up di kada national highway ke map di apa di kada surat ibu itu di na reflect jadi hanya surat ke bandai curai tak ada pendapat itu hapan saya bahan kita itu di-shake badan kali beri pesenjara tu kamai yo iba puas boleh jadi shake lakum shake gitu beri drop renai gitu pun kita gitu new bat ke epat pas ngapla kalau iya tu jaga ini nasional highway pat kementerian mas ni kiu dengan tu jaga dari omdan ni iba la sulai lan dari kementerian tu jaga